Okay, we are going to do one more grammar page. You can see at the top it says grammar, and this week we're working with see and saw. Okay, remember that see is when we're talking about ourselves happening right now, or what could be a group and it's happening now. Sees is talking about one other person happening right now. Saw is that it already happened, it's in the past. Okay, so number one, last week, right away I know which one I'm going to use because last week is in the past. That's right. Okay, so last week I saw. We know right away because it's in the past. I saw a fake bug. Okay, number two, I said to Dad. Okay, now this is a little tricky because said means it already happened, but in the moment, what he's saying is right now. So let's blank if Tom will find it. Okay, we're talking about one person to find it, but who's going to be doing the seeing? Let's. I and Dad, that's a group. So when we talk about a group, we use see. Let's see if Tom will find it. Okay. Number three, Dad said he will blank it on this shelf. Okay, we're talking about he. So let's was a group, last week was past. We're looking for clues. Okay, talk about he. Is he a group or one person? One person. So which one do we use? Sees. This one's actually a rule breaker because we're using the helper verb will. So he will see. Okay. If we just said he sees it on the shelf, but that's happening now. He will see is talking about the future. So that's why it feels like a rule breaker. Okay, the next day, Tom blank. Okay, the next day after last week. So has this already happened? Yes, we're still talking about the past. So the next day, Tom saw the fake bug. He jumped, then he said, you should blank. Okay, you can be talking to one person or a group. So since it can be a group, we say you should see this big bug. Okay, you should see this big bug. Okay. Then down on B, we have a sentence, my best book is a good joke. And they want us to fix the sentence. So the question is, what's wrong with this sentence? It may not be obvious to you, but did you know that when you write the name of a book, not only does each letter get a capital or each word get a capital at the beginning, we also underline it. So I would like you to rewrite this sentence. Just write exactly what this sentence says. But when you get to the name of the book, a good joke, make sure you put a nice line underneath. This will help readers know that you are, in fact, talking about a book. Okay? Here we go. Happy learning.